Y'all still watching this vlog?
I hope so. It is day whatever. I'm kind of tired because we stayed up late last night. But we are about
Getting back in the bed.
What are you doing? I don't know what he doing, but we about to get up. Like he was just up. I don't know why he in the bed, but we about to get up and go to Aquafun, the world's largest water inflatable obstacle course, I think. So yeah, we're about to go there. It's really nice outside, so stay tuned and get your ass up.
I'm up.
You not up.
I'm be up like a light.
Up like a light. The light is up, so you need to be up like it. Come on.
Hello all.
Hello.
Due to this one, we're just now leaving.
Don't do that, because y'all seen where he was. I was ready.
But y'all know the truth. Y'all know a guy can be in the bed and still get ready for it. Y'all even see who's walking in the front. So yeah. So
Anyways.
What's going on?
So we just finished doing that right there. Oh my goodness. That was so much fun.
Yes, it was.
Like, I'm tired, but
Definitely tired.
make sure you have a little fuel in your system before you do that. But yeah, that was super fun. Super.
Hello everyone.
Hey!
We're back out again after a day at Aquafun.
Yes, and a small part of it chilling, because we is tired, okay?
Definitely tired. But now we are at
The Global Village.
the Global Village.
Yay. Hello. All right, so now we are on the way to One Oak for the terrace. The brunch was booked, but hey, we're here. So come join us. Good morning, everyone. On day whatever it is, what we doing today, babe?
Going to hit some jet skis overseas.
Okay.
Skis overseas.
Okay. Big jet skis, the fuck. But yeah. Hello.
What's up? What's up?
We are at Popeye Jet Ski Rental. Just waiting for our turn so we can get on these jet skis. You ready to go jet skiing?
Definitely. Well, jet ski in Dubai is probably going to be better than jet skis in New York.
I hope so.
One, the water looks better than the water in New York.
Yeah,
That's
that's
a start.
Yep.
The water's not brown.
okay. No brown water, check.
You know, I don't see a bunch of tugboats and oil.
Right, I don't see any bottles or
Right.
Newport packs in the water. So
We in Dubai on them jet skis.
okay.
Let's go.
So, just left the room. We're now downtown. We're going to go see the fountains and go get some food. So right now we found a little spot we're gonna take some pictures at. So stay tuned. Alrighty guys, we just finished eating at Hookah. It was really nice.
Yep. It was good.
Yep, it was good. It's a Turkish restaurant, and everyone who works there is from Turkey. So that was really cool. But yeah, it was yummy. So check them out. Hookah at the Dubai Mall.
HUQQAME on Instagram.
Yep, on Instagram. But yeah, check them out. So now we are about to go back to the room and hopefully go to sleep. Because we have to wake up early because we're getting picked up for our adventure tomorrow. So good night. See y'all tomorrow.
Good morning, YouTube. We're actually up early for the first time.
Right, this is the time we be going to sleep, okay?
So yeah, so today we have our desert day. And let's see where this takes us. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cut it, cut it. All right, so we have arrived at the Desert Safari place. Excuse the camera if it looks weird, but I have it in a waterproof case for the dust and sand. But yeah, let's see how this goes. Everyone, yeah, we flipped again. Oh my god, these are it's a whole bunch of them.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Go. It's too late. Hola. We are finished with our four-wheeling experience. We failed. just like we fell off the jet ski. We nosedive. And then I got ran over by one of those. No, when I say ran over, like, I'm surprised there's not tire marks all over my body. But yeah, limping a little bit, but hey, the show must go on. We still got a few more days here.
America's strong.
Yeah, sure, live to see another day. What'd you say? Near-death experiences?
Near-death experiences build character. Remember that, YouTube. You gotta live life. Don't live life in fear. Don't let fear control your life.
Yeah. I mean, I was scared.
Push it to the limit, YouTube.
Okay, but yeah, that was really fun.
New day, new year, new places. Like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to hit the bell.
So, ice my leg for a little bit. Able to walk, so right now we're gonna go look at some. We're gonna look at some gold. Hola, so we just came back from
Secret Garden
Secret Garden
at V.
at the Conrad Hotel, 7th floor. We went, not the Secret Garden, but we went to V the other night, to Amber Hall.
Amber Hall.
Yes, so V, definitely got to check that out if you're in Dubai. Anyways, y'all, I survived today's near-death experience. Yo, get that out my... I'm talking. Why would you put that in my mouth? Go to sleep. Good morning. Yeah. So, woke up. Knee still feels... You hear that?
Mm-hmm.
It was a noise. Anyways, so about to go wrap this bitch up so we can make some moves today. Yeah, so got my brace. Woo! Sexy. And now we're about to exchange some money so we can go back to the gold souk. So let's go. Oh. All right, so we're still at the gold souk. We found some nice little things. Just know, when you come here, you will be hounded, okay? Everyone's trying to sell you Gucci, Balenciaga, whatever. There's Rolex. Please don't. Please don't.
Good quality, ma'am.
Yeah, I don't know if y'all heard that, but yeah. And they'll literally just walk beside you. Like, you'll tell them no thank you, and they'll still walk beside you for like... Yeah, still talking about what they have. Hola. So, we've been chilling a while after we left Soul Street. So now we are going to Avenue. It's a new spot at the Shangri-La Hotel on the 42nd floor. So we actually met one American yesterday, and she wanted to link. So we're linking with her and her peoples. Yay. We'll see. And guess the fuck what? It is almost his birthday. So guess who getting fucking lit? That guy. No? Yeah, you. We're getting fucking lit tonight. We're getting wasted, bitches. All right. Hopefully I record some at the spot. But yeah, it's gonna be a vibe. All right. It's his birthday. So yeah, we went to Avenue. It was very lit. Very, very, very lit. As you can tell by the slur in my words. In the wrong floor. And look who's up and alive.
Oh,
It's your fucking birthday.
it's my birthday.
I ain't think you was gonna make it. After last night.
We gon' make it.
How does
We
it feel?
gon' make it.
Another year older
Yeah, that's what it is.
in
Older.
Dubai.
In Dubai with I. You know, it's my new year. It's lit. Was very lit. Overcapacity lit in my brain.
Yeah, it was done.
So yeah. All right.
Hola. So we came back to the Gold Souk because, you know, big money. Okay.
And now we're about to get some food.
Yep. Happy birthday. Hola again. So, if you guys come to the Gold Souk, make sure y'all go to one of these little cafeteria places. For example, this one. They have like sandwiches and fries and these bomb smoothie juice things. And we went to 2 different ones, well 3 times, and good all around.
Yeah.
And it's cheap, so
Very cheap.
we got like a burger or like chicken sandwich, fries, and the drink. What, like $10 US dollars? So like $10. So yeah, so definitely check out these places, like these little cafeterias. Like when I tell you, like they're small, like there's these little spots, like in the middle of the street. Where are we at?
So right now we are at the Dubai Miracle Garden. So let's go see what it entails.
Let's go, vámonos. So now, this is the sad part. We have to start packing.
Yep, it's that time.
Yep, it is that time. We have to start packing. It's around 6 o'clock, so we're gonna get ourselves together, everything, probably go get something to eat, and then go to the airport. I want to stay here forever. All right, we are all packed and ready to go. Well, not ready, but you see the drip?
It's the best part about this traveling. Putting on that real designer.
Okay.
What y'all know about that? Susie O collection, yeah.
Okay.
But now I'm sad.
Yeah.
And now I'm in. Drip. Whew. What's good? Time's over. So I ain't been talking these last couple days. I've been down. But no, the trip was awesome. Dubai was awesome. If you're still watching, thank you for giving us your time because this was probably a long video. And if you're here, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Bing!
And follow us on Instagram because we be lit on the Insta.
At Slim and Susie. That's the handle. And if you want the personal handles, you can get it after you follow our page.
Boop. But yes, this trip has been amazing. We're already planning our trip to come back.
Yeah.
We already have a list of things that we didn't do this time, but we want to do next time we come. But yes, we will be back. We'll be back.
Back again. Get ready. It's not even going to be a part 2. It's going to be vlog. We back in Dubai, you heard?
Back in Dubai with it. But yeah, we gotta go.